Hmm. So speaking of the market, what's your opinion of the current state of the market? Do you see any particular like trends or opportunities that maybe people should be paying attention to if they're looking to capitalize?
Yeah. So, well, I'm only right about maybe 60% of the time, so I could be wrong about this. But I do think right now we are headed for a bull market. And I think what will happen is that the Fed will lower rates sometimes in the next couple of months. They'll get inflation down to an acceptable amount, cut rates, and we'll have a bull market. That's what I think. And so within that, like I said earlier, using sector rotation, tech does best in a bull market. So I looked at tech. Then I looked at which industries within tech do best during a bull market, and I found cloud computing. So right now, I have options on cloud computing ETFs. That's, I think, makes up 50, maybe even 60% of my portfolio right now. I'm very bullish on it. I also see the rise of AI. Everybody's talking about AI. This is actually very important. So in the gold rush, I think there's a saying, something along the lines of the people who got rich during the gold rush weren't the people who are trying to mine the gold, but the people who are selling the shovels. And so it's the same thing now. It's while there are definitely people who will get rich in the AI scheme, or not scheme, but AI revolution, whether that's companies, investors, what I'm looking at is cloud computing, because in order to build and develop these AI models, you need cloud computing. People, I mean, these companies don't have warehouses of computational power. They need to outsource it to cloud computing. So definitely look at what is also involved with AI, what is correlated to it. And the answer to that is cloud computing. So, I mean, I won't really explain it now. It's pretty simple. All right, you are a company, you need cloud computing power. You need computing power to develop these AI models. So you buy it from somebody else on the cloud. That's basically it in a nutshell. That's what I'm very bullish on right now, because I think I see it correlated to AI.
That makes sense because AI is something that's definitely on trend. I only see it going higher in terms of people needing it, and it's just overall attention. But then if you look at, well, what is it actually dependent on to be successful and invest in that, you definitely couldn't go wrong. And a lot of people probably aren't going to be looking at it from that angle. They're just going to be looking at the thing itself instead of seeing, hey, what does that thing need to expand and maintain itself? And if you're looking at it from that angle, there's an opportunity to make some change.
Right. There's absolutely no doubt that these companies like Nvidia and other AI companies are bound for success. But the thing is, investors already realize that. They're already trading at crazy multiples. So yeah, we're looking at what's undervalued right now. And that's, to me, cloud computing.
Right. Okay. Sup everyone, y'all just watched a clip from one of the episodes of the Side Hustler Society podcast. If you want to check out the full episode, you can click on the link in the description right now, or click on the video that's showing in the end screen. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when another episode drops, and a thumbs up on this video is very much appreciated. I'll catch you in the next one.